Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy BNB on Binance app. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application, or if you haven't, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now, if you haven't already created your account on Binance, then I will put my link down in the description box below. So you can use that link and you can create your Binance account, and it will also get you $100 worth of trading recession on Binance. So after the successful creation of your account, now is the time to buy BNB. In order to do so, you just have to tap on the search bar in the top, and here you will have to type BNB. Once done, it will show you a bunch of different pairs relating to BNB, but you will have to tap on BNB/USDT. Once I've done that, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see its chart. Now here, the first thing that you need to make sure is that it is selected as BNB USDT. So if it is not selected, or if you are not able to find BNB USDT, then you simply need to tap on this drop arrow button, and here in the top, you are going to see a bunch of different pairs with BNB, but you will have to make sure that it is selected as USDT. After that, you need to tap on the buy button in the bottom, and then you will have to first select whether you are putting a limit order or market order or stop limit, etc. After selecting it, you will have to enter the amount of BNB that you want to purchase. You can also use this slider in order to make the percentage, such as you want to purchase 25% or 50%, then you can use this slider in order to purchase it. After that, it will automatically show you that your 50% of amount is this worth of USDT. So you will have to tap on this Buy BNB option in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily purchase BNB on Binance app. If you want to view your asset, then you can tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you are going to see your total balance as well as your BNB in your spot wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.